95% of us is sleeping. Not in a bad way, but just unaware of how to process and understand the underlying coding of life and the universe. Caught up and entangled in a net of illusions and lies they believe to be reality. But what is reality? What is it that you desire? What will keep your adventurous part lit up? You can choose. Do you choose to be awake? Self-transformation is not just about changing yourself. It means shifting yourself to a completely new dimension of experience and perception. You can't teach anybody anything. Only make them realize the answers are already inside of them. Sometimes you find yourself in the middle of nowhere. And sometimes in the middle of nowhere, you find yourself. Those who get lost will find new ways. Rainy and stormy days are better teachers than tranquil sunny days. Sometimes we have to fight through some bad days to earn the best days of our lives. To be awake is to be alive. To be awake means to be fully present. Sometimes we have to step back and take a look at the bigger picture. Open your eyes. We are born twice, once from our mother and once from our own body and existence. Time is like a stream of water. You cannot touch the same water twice, because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Enjoy every moment in life. Play like a kid, have fun, just enjoy life as it passes by. Freedom is being truly yourself. The best dreams happens when you're awake. Go where you feel most alive. is perfect, just as it is right now. And once we accept that simple truth, we can truly float into the feeling of home we all have within.